Perfect. So College Multi Hexa is based in Quebec, Canada. And we are located in the city called Saguenay, which is approximately 4 to 5 hours ahead of Montreal. Saguenay is one of the largest city of the province Quebec, also known as the industrial hub of the province. So we export a lot of things to the nearby cities and nearby provinces. That's a little bit of the introduction about this city. Moving on to the college history. This is our college infrastructure. This is where college is located. So we were established in 1986. College Multi Hexa has been in the market and been teaching students for the past 35 years. We are an IT specialized college where we teach IT programs to the students with 86% placements. So we majorly focus on the placements and we deliver internship based program for the students. Can anybody tell me what is the benefit of an internship? How does internship benefit you? Anybody?
Experiences counted by job when we are.
Yes, okay. Experience is counted towards your job. Anybody else? How does an internship help you in your career? How many of you are just passed out of school? Just passed out of school. Okay, and how many are graduates? All right, and how many of you have never worked at a workplace? किसी ने job नहीं किया, उतने बच्चे कौन हैं? हाथ खड़े कीजिए. Okay, that's a very large chunk of this class. So do you have any idea how you're going to work at a workplace जब तक आपने job नहीं की है? Yes or no? Any idea? No, right? But if you do internship, if you do the practical implementation of what you have learned in the class, you will learn the office culture. You will learn what is expected from you at your workplace. Yes or no? Right. So that is how internship helps you. College Multi Hexa mein we majorly focus on the internships so that every student can implement whatever they have learned in their classrooms while they were studying with us at Multi Hexa. हम लोग 2 years का program offer करते हैं students को in IT with 3 years of work permit. So you will be studying with Multi Hexa for 2 years and you will be having a 3 years of work permit eventually. So this is what the college looks like. We operate in this building with a couple of IT companies जिनके साथ हमने collaboration किया है. Since our motive is to train IT professionals so that you can have a job by the end of the program with you. This is the reason why we share this building with a couple of IT company जिसमें से CGI, one of the leading IT company, works with us. So that easily students अपनी internships के लिए apply कर सकें within the same building and eventually you can apply for your placements as well through the college support. So we have collaborated with more than 20 IT companies in the overall province of Quebec. For those of you who do not know, Canada का अगर IT hub कोई province है, so that is Quebec. We have the world's leading IT companies in the province itself. Can you name some leading IT companies for me? Which laptops, phones do you use? Which technologies, operating systems do you work on? Apple, yes. Microsoft, yes. Again, in Quebec. We have CGI in Quebec, which also operates in India, by the way. We have Oracle and IBM, which develops majority of your operating system for your phones and laptops, again located in Quebec. So there, yeah, Wipro as well. So we have 1.4 million jobs in the coming 5 years in the IT sector, and this is only the number that Quebec has. अभी मैं overall Canada की requirement की बात भी नहीं कर रही हूँ. So there are lots and lots of opportunities for you. Fees बहुत ही affordable है college का. Just 11,800 Canadian dollars. Can you convert it into Indian rupees? Open up your calculators in your phones. 11,800 multiply by 60 and then you'll get INR. कितना fee हुआ 1 year का? Anybody? 7 lakh, that's right. So 7 lakh is the only fees that you have to pay to the college for 1 year. And if you enroll today through Pioneer Global, we are giving an application fee waiver, and this is a discounted tuition fee, जहाँ पर आपको $2,000 का additional discount भी मिल रहा है through Pioneer Global itself, right? So we have amazing opportunities for you at College Multi Hexa, where you also get the opportunity to learn language French, which is also one of the language जो province में बोली जाती है. So majority of the students, those who are studying already with us on campus, they are getting paid for language French. Approximately $150 a week government की तरफ से students को pay किया जाता है just to learn their cultural language, which is an added on benefit, right? The city offers a very low cost of living, बहुत ही amazing lifestyle you can enjoy at an affordable price. It's not expensive as Vancouver, trust me. Students have very tough life there. If you have your friends and relatives, you must know already, right? Moving on to the next slides, I just want to make it short. So living cost is very, very affordable. Next. Yeah, back. So we have world's second largest aluminum extraction plant in the city, जहाँ पर we have more than 10,000 direct and indirect jobs for the people who live in the city. So you can be working here, and we have lots of IT companies as well where you can eventually work. Since we offer 86% placement, you are very highly likely to get a job by the end of your program. आप सब लोग कनाडा में पढ़ाई करने के बाद क्या करेंगे? What is your next step? PR? So you'll still be working, right? It's still about work and a job, right? Job होगा तभी तो work from home करोगे, है ना? So rightly said though, but then you will have to have a work with you so that you can have a job. So eventually everybody will be having a work, a job, right? So सभी का aim होता है पढ़ाई करने के बाद job लेना. And if the college is taking that responsibility for you, is it less burden on you? Yes or no? Right? So that is what College Multi-Exa helps you with. For more information, you can come downstairs, see me with your profiles, and discounts and fees मैंने disclose already आपको कर दी हैं, so that you know कि क्या ये आपकी pocket को suit करेगा या नहीं करेगा. One of the very affordable options, trust me. And for more information, you can come downstairs, और आप पूरा का पूरा college का campus भी देख सकते हैं on the website, which is collegemultihexa.ca. Anything you would like to ask me here in front of everybody before we wrap this up, or before you see me in person? Anybody having any question? Even if it's related to Canada, you can ask me any question. Oh, yeah. Till when can you enroll? Currently, Canadian Embassy is taking things very slowly, तो बहुत ज़्यादा time लग रहा है visas को process होने में. So the intakes are closing और भी ज़्यादा जल्दी, so that you can start your classes for January intake. Probably 5th, 6th, 7th से almost सारी classes start हो जाती हैं सारे colleges की. So if you have to start your classes, then you need to get your visa. General processing time 45 days रहता है, but we are taking उससे भी ज़्यादा time. So the intake will close by 15th of October. If you enroll yourself before that, you get January. Otherwise, you will have to start your classes in March or May or September, depending कि आप किस college में admission ले रहे हैं और क्या उसमें वो intake available है या नहीं. Any other question? Eligibility criteria, you should have at least 50% overall, 50% each in your grade 12, and 6 overall, 6 each IELTS में minimum होना चाहिए or above. Graduation के बाद, what have you done? You have studied computers already. I know BSc non-medical में भी computers होता है. You can enroll अपना qualification के basis पे भी, because these are AEC programs that we are offering for which you are eligible. So as long as you have the required IELTS score, which is 6 overall, 6 each, and 50% overall, 50% each, we will be able to enroll you.
50% in graduation?
In both your graduation and grade 12. ये minimum benchmark है.
What about the scholarship criteria?
नीचे आके आप अपनी प्रोफाइल डिस्कस करना, I'll give you the scholarship. ठीक है, based on your profile, right? Anybody else? No more questions? All right, all the best for your IELTS, and thank you for your time.